Can you repeat
I was
this?
talking about my story with this girl. So we were talking about like some other shit, and she's like, so I'ma ask her which the best spot is to put in a girl, and she's like a pussy, and then she says like, anal's pretty nice. I would like to try it, and I'm like, you like to do it in the pussy and shit, and I'm just leaving dipping, you know, literally dipped because I said I asked her if you wanna do.
Taking the Playboy master.
But she not that nice, but I mean, she no, meh. I think she perfect for me. I just need to get the pussy, fam.
I think every girl is perfect as long as you get the pussy, man.
Some of my classmates.
What if they have chlamydia?
I still fuck with that.
Around the fuck where- Actually, my classmate, she's like really fucking ugly. She sends nudes to someone, other than her boyfriend. They break up. She starts crying in class, and she actually sounds like the fucking meme. That's actually what it sounded like. I
My guy, what the fuck?
She's ugly as fuck, and she has like some back stuff. Like her head goes down.
Wait, what?
Oh, what?
It goes down.
Okay, that shit ruined that fucking stuff. It's like hair back down.
So, how about some fuck? Fuck?
My account.
And then I played it, and
You are garbage. You
I killed a speed hacker. Fuck you. And my first time playing that game.
garbage.